Here we go, just checking the alignment. This was aligned with the Geos originally. Try to get that shadow out of there. There you go, that looks pretty doggone good. That's on the inner. You're gonna move to the other one. Let's try and get the light right so I can get the drop down point. Kind of hard to do this and hold the camera at the same time. Well, of course it wants to drift. That looks pretty good. And that's how to make sure your cartridge is aligned properly. Actually, there's a better tool. The Geodisc is what I used originally to set this up, so just checking. It's good to check your system, check your weight, and everything else, make sure everything's up to snuff. Save your records.